Good morning, children. Yesterday I taught you about Bagha and Gopi. See, Gopi was a singer and Bagha was a drum player. So, yesterday in my class I have completed page number 45. Today I am going to take page number 46. So please all of you take page number 46. It is Gopi and Bagha. So continuously we have been studying about these two boys. Please take all of you page number 46. First paragraph. One day all the villagers came and told Bagha, "Dear brother, we will give you 10 pots of sweets. Please go somewhere else. If you stay here, we will all go mad." See, as I was telling you yesterday, that these villagers were fed up with this particular boy called Bagha, because he was day and night he was playing drum. After hearing regularly, these villagers are fed up. Now they want to give a farewell, or they want to send him away from the village. They want to give some sweets, or we can say 10 pots of sweets, so that this particular boy will feel happy and he will go from that particular village. So that is the planning the villagers are making to send Bagha away from village. Next paragraph. Poor Bagha, what would he do? He had to take his drum and go to another village. This particular person called Bagha couldn't do anything because all the villagers were united. This particular man was alone. So he had to move from his own village, and he is now going to another village. Next time. They heard him play and greeted him enthusiastically. So those villagers from other village, close by village, people welcomed him, and they welcomed him enthusiastically. Greeted, see, enthusiastically it is exactly or excitedly. They were very happy. So enthusiastically, see. They were very excited. Those people were very, very excited. They were very happy to see this particular person called Bagha. Once again, they heard him play and greeted him. Greeted him, they wished him. Greeting. Greeted, wishing, or greet. We can say greet, wishing. So they wished him and welcomed him in that particular village. But within 2 days, the people of that village also threw him out. See, this particular Bagha had the habit of playing drum all the time. So obviously, these villagers also felt very sad, and they were very fed up with this particular person, and then they threw him away from there. After that, wherever he went, he was driven out in no time. So he was chased out. Driven out, he was chased out. Driven. chased out. He was chased out from that particular village also. He was not kept over there. Next paragraph. Bagha started roaming the fields. Roaming, going here and there, roaming. Moving here and there. Moving here and there. So he started going from one place to another place because there is no place for him. So he is fed up. And also he is not given chance to stay in the village. That is the problem. Next time, when he felt hungry, he would go back to his village and start drumming. So when he felt hungry, when his stomach was empty, he again went back to his village and again he started playing so that he could get something to eat from the people. Next time, the villagers would quickly bring him food and have a sigh of relief. So some type of relief is they had some type of relief from this particular person. See, after few days or after some times they see him, and then after hearing his music they give food to eat to this particular man called Bagha. So the villagers would quickly bring him food and have a sigh of relief, so that they could get release from this particular man. They will be free from this particular man after giving food, so that he will go away from that village. Next day, when he left, so the villagers would quickly bring him food and have a sigh of relief when he left. So after his leaving, they were free from this particular person. Next time, but soon they stopped bringing food. Instead, they drove him away. So after a few days, they stopped giving him food, and then they started again chasing him away from the village. So there is no place for this particular boy called Bagha. Next paragraph. Enough is enough, thought poor Bagha. It's better to go and live in the forest than to suffer fools. So now this particular boy called Bagha is deciding himself that it is not good to stay in this particular village. If I go and live in the forest, that would be far better than staying in the village, because he has been continuously chased by these villagers. So there is no peace in his mind. There is no peace, there is no joy in his mind. Therefore, he has now fully made up his mind to go to the village, to the forest. Enough is enough, thought poor Bagha. It's better to go and live in the forest than to suffer fools. Instead of suffering here, I will remain in the forest. There will be no one to disturb me. So that is his thinking. What can happen? I may get eaten by a tiger. What will happen? Even if I am eaten by a tiger, there is no problem for me, because instead of being chased by these villagers, if I stay in the forest, even if the tiger eats me up, no problem. I will die and I will go. So that is his thinking. So he has decided next time. But at least I will be able to play my drum. So once I go to the forest, I will play the drum freely. Nobody will tell anything. Okay. And he went into the forest with his drum. So he has started going towards the forest, and then now he is there. So now he can enjoy, he can play his drum freely without any disturbance. Next paragraph. Bagha lived quite happily there for some time. He could play his drum without people chasing him out of village or villages. But after a while, his peace was disturbed. So in the forest also something happened to him. There was no peace and tranquility in him. He was disturbed by someone else. The forest had no tigers, but it did seem to have one terrible beast. So he thought like that, but he experienced that there is someone, there is a terrible beast who can disturb me. So that is his thought. Bagha hadn't seen it, but had heard it roar in the distance. Bagha could hear the roaring of the lion, the roaring of the this particular terrible tiger in the forest. Now he is afraid to stay in that particular forest. Its its below would make him terrible all over. So once again, its below would make him terrible all over. Below it is given here, meaning is given here, loud roar of an animal, roaring of an animal, and terrible meaning again it is given, shake with fear. So it is too much uh, fear, or he was too much afraid after hearing the roaring of the lion or the tiger. Next line. The creature will probably eat me up and my drum too if he sees me. He will that the tiger will eat me and as well as my drum also. So both myself also will die and then my drum also will go. Bagha thought and decided he would find another forest to live in. So Bagha, this particular boy called Bagha, has no peace in his mind because even after going to the forest, he is terribly afraid that the tiger will eat him and as well as his drum also will be destroyed by the tiger. Now again he has to make another plan and he has to move to another forest. So my dear student, I will continue my text in my next class. Thank you very much.